In this video, latest Gilas news, and in case you missed it, no, ay FIBA na mismo ang nagsabi at SBP ang nagbalita, no, na si Quentin Millora Brown ay ngayon ay considered ng local ng FIBA, no. So after yung initial classification na siya ay isang naturalized player, ay after an appeal by QMB's camp, ang dating manlalaro ng University of the Philippines ay eligible na maglaro sa Gilas Pilipinas as a local, no, following yun nga, no, following an appeal by QMB's camp, no. At ayun nga, no, ito yung naging statement ng SBP with regards to this development from SBP President Al Panlilio, no. We are pleased with the update from FIBA because a player of his size and skill can make a positive impact for Gilas Pilipinas. So si QMB nga ay isa talaga sa mga young players ngayon na masasabi nating makakatulong talaga sa Gilas Pilipinas with his height. He stands at 6'10", and nakita natin yung kanyang laro, no, with the Fighting Maroons in the UAP, and even recently, no, when Gilas Pilipinas played against Macau Black Bears, na kung saan doon na naglalaro si Quentin Millora Brown, at pinakita niya yung kung anong kaya niyang gawin, no, in front of Coach Tim Cone as well as the Gilas fans during the tune-up game before yung Gilas Pilipinas headed to Jeddah for the FIBA Asia Cup 2025. So, yun, samot-saring reaksyon ng ating nakita, no, with regards to this new development where yun nga si Quentin Millora Brown ay classified na as a local, no. At talagang yung desire ni QMB to become a member of Gilas Pilipinas was really evident, no. Especially when we talked to him nung ang tune-up game ng Macau Black Bears against Gilas Pilipinas, where he indicated nga dito, no, sa ating interview sa kanya na there was an ongoing process, no, of him appealing that initial decision by FIBA to classify him as a naturalized player, no. So pakinggan natin yung sinabi ni QMB. This was last July 28 after Macau Black Bears' game against Gilas Pilipinas, na kung saan nga nabanggit niya na there was an appeal na ongoing with regards to his classification, no. This was, we asked him kasi dun sa naging kwentuhan nila ni Coach Tim Cone, because he was spotted talking to him after the game. At ito yung kanyang naging response when we asked him kung ano ba yung napag-usapan nila ni Coach Tim Cone.
We're hopeful that the appeal will go through and that...
Wait lang, ulitin natin, no. At ayun nga, no. So again, we'll listen in to QMB on what kung ano yung napag-usapan nila with Coach.
Yeah, briefly, we're hopeful that the appeal will go through and that I'll be changed from naturalized to local.
So there's still a process that's going on for possibility?
Yes, absolutely. There's an appeal in the works. The lawyers and my agent are kind of taking care of that. I don't really have all the details on that, but if you want to know more about that, they can probably tell you more if you reach out to them.
So again, you can see yung effort, no, ni Quentin Millora Brown na to make yung kanyang goal, no, to play for Gilas Pilipinas a reality, no, na nag-appeal pa nga itong kampo ni QMB sa FIBA na yung in-appeal nila yung initial classification nga of him being a naturalized player. At yun nga, nagbunga naman yung kanilang efforts. Ngayon QMB is a local, no. And ngayon naman sa panayam ni sa panayam naman ni Comnoli Ayala sa Power and Play program nung Sabado, ay indicate ni Coach Tim Cone yung kanyang pagkagalak, no, sa naging desisyon ng FIBA to consider him as a local. And based on this interview with Coach Tim Cone sa Power and Play sa True FM, parang yung inclusion ni QMB sa Gilas Pilipinas will happen sooner rather than later, no. So parang mukhang cast in stone na, no, Although hindi naman niya minention talaga expressively, pero yung sa tono ng pagsalita ni Coach Tim Cohn with regards to QMB ay mukhang pasok na talaga si QMB sa Gilas Pilipinas pool sooner rather than later. So pakinggan natin yung naging panayam ni Com Noliala, no, sa Power and Play. Of course, the audio is courtesy of True FM and Power and Play. So pakinggan natin yung naging panayam ni Com Noliala, a part of it, no, with regards to his reaction to the newest development, yung pag-classify kay QMB as a local.
Young, 6'10", 6'11" player who's still exploring him and still he's a 6'10" KQ in terms of what it means to the program. Bringing in a big guy like that, he's basically just what the doctor ordered. AJ and Jumar are out there pretty much on their own time, and even though with QMB, you have a guy to slot in right there, and we as much as we have this program that we put together, this team that we put together, we have not had Kai and AJ on the team at the same time. Good. In a practice, we have not even had them in a practice on the floor, and now we get the opportunity to have that happen in the near future. Then you add a QMB Quentin to that, and man, that's something we can really work off of, and I'm excited about it. Wow. I think he works tremendously well within our triangle system, and I think he's really going to enjoy playing that position.
Alright, so yan po si Coach Tim Cohn, no, ng Gilas Pilipinas on the latest news na si QMB nga ay now classified as a local. And based from what you've heard na sinabi ni Coach Tim Cohn, ay mukhang kasado na, no? Mukhang kasado na nga yung inclusion ni QMB sa Gilas Pilipinas. Based lang dun sa naging panayam ni Com Noliala, no, kay Coach Tim Cohn. Yun nga, sa tono ng kanyang pagsasalita ay mukhang kasado na yung kanyang pagpasok sa Gilas Pilipinas, itong si QMB. So kayo, anong thoughts niyo dito sa latest development na to? Magiging fit ba talaga, no, si QMB dito sa Gilas Pilipinas? And anong nakikita nyong future ng Gilas Pilipinas with QMB around, no? So comment down below kung ano masasabi nyo dyan sa latest development na yan on QMB's inclusion or possible inclusion pa lang, no? Nothing official yet, but definitely mukhang may chance talaga, napakataas ng chance na masasama talaga si Quentin Millora Brown or QMB sa Gilas Pilipinas. Ano ang take nyo dyan? Comment down below. So thank you for watching our video. Again, I'm Ruben Terrado, and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and read our stories sa spin.ph. Again, thank you for watching.